The loss of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg is a loss for our country, but the grief is particularly acute for women and girls. We've lost the greatest feminist icon of our time who used her legal talents to lift us up and fought for a world that recognized our equal stature and dignity. Her fame sort of crept up on her. Her tiny frame belied her judicial might. She had a soft voice, but was a megaphone in her words. She was a rock of righteousness and boasted rock-solid abs from her planks and exercise regimen. She also became a fashionista icon as she donned collar necklaces and black lace gloves. As women members of Congress, our paths would have been even tougher had it not been for Justice Ginsburg's brilliant legal strategy that built a foundation for our equality in the law. She turned the personal sex discrimination she endured into a life's mission to overcome. Imagine being told by the dean of the law school at Harvard that she was taking a man's seat. After serving on both Harvard and Columbia's law reviews and graduating at the top of her class, she couldn't get a clerkship or an associate job at a New York law firm. She went on to teach as a professor of law at Rutgers, and discrimination struck again. She found out she was making less than a male colleague of equal standing. When she complained, she was told that he had a wife and 2 kids, and she had a husband in a big law firm in New York City. She was going to file an EEOC complaint until the law school relented. She argued 300 gender discrimination cases in her career, later practicing law. She challenged bogus laws that claimed to protect women, but in fact discriminated against them, stating, quote, "The pedestal upon which women have been placed has all too often, upon closer inspection, been revealed as a cage," unquote. In her work on the bench, she declared women should not be discriminated against, denied control of their bodies, and deserved equal pay for equal work. The fact that we cannot honor this titan properly because Republicans refuse to honor her dying wish adds further insult to our collective injury. Their desire to destroy the ACA and rip away health care for 135 million Americans with pre-existing conditions is greater than their sense of decency. Their thirst to pack the court with 4 justices selected by presidents who lost the popular vote is anything but just. Her fervent wish, our fervent wish, may be denied, but no one can deny the notorious RBG her due, her greatness, her iconic presence in the Supreme Court Hall of Fame. Someday, her fervent wish of 9 women justices will be a reality. And so, we rise up. We fight for RBG's legacy and the just world she envisioned. It's time for us all to be notorious.